Hi everyone, how are you all and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing great and safe at your homes. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations. So जिनको ये Pink Friday sale के बारे में नहीं पता है, let me tell you, this is the biggest sale ever which Nykaa holds around this corner of November and December. So last year I made a haul video, Pink Friday sale haul. So if you're interested, I will be leaving the link in the description box so you can check that. So I'm gonna be sharing all of my favorite products with all of you, and in which they have 40% off and कुछ products में 50% off भी है. So I'm really excited for you to watch this video. So it's a very good time wherein you can restock all of your favorite products. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. So my first recommendation in skincare is this Pond's moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer. It is non-oily, and if you have dry skin, you can totally use this. And if you have oily skin type, you can go for another Pond's moisturizer which look like this. I don't own that one. I only own this one because I have dry skin and I love this moisturizer so much. You can also use this underneath your makeup, and it's a very lightweight moisturizer which has glycerin and vitamin E. And while talking about Pond's, I really like to share with you my next favorite product from Pond's. So this is Pond's Vitamin Brightening Home Facial Kit, and it's a very cute facial kit. It's for 300 rupees, but you're getting it for very lesser price. And by using this product, you can get a very good glowing and brightening skin on your own. And I'm gonna be talking and reviewing this product in another video, so please stay tuned. Our next product are these two. They are from Mamaearth, and if you're talking about skincare, these Mamaearth products has to be in this. So first I have this Mamaearth Cocoa Face Scrub. It is a very good cocoa scrub which helps in exfoliation in your skin because it has caffeine and coca. So I was looking for a face scrub which has caffeine in it because I like caffeine ingredients product basically. So I really love this product because it is very good in exfoliation in your skin, and you can actually be in love this product because it has these tiny little particles which can settle down the textured skin. So I highly recommend you guys to please go for this because it is not that much costly and it is on a very good deal. And the next product is also from Mamaearth. It's their Choto Little product, and it's the Skin Illuminate Face Serum. So if you have pigmentation problem and you don't want to use remedies at your homes, you can totally give it a try. It really helps in the pigmentation and also plumbed your skin very well. So yes, and I'm finishing with this bottle, so I'm hoping to restock it. My next recommendation will be this kit from Plum. So it is a very cute kit, and it's a big kit in which you got so many products. So in this kit you are getting so much product, right from face wash, mask, toner, face mist, and also night gel. So these all are my favorite products from Plum. So the real price of this kit is for rupees 1800, but in this Pink Friday sale you are getting this for rupees only and only 1173, which is I think a very good deal. This toner is my favorite. It soothes your skin very well. So if you're planning to invest in a good toner, go for this one. It's a very good product, and if you're wanting to buy this product, you're getting 25% off on this product. And my last skincare recommendation has to be sunscreen. Whether you're applying it on winters or summers, it is a very essential product in your skincare. So this is a Beautyco sunscreen, and this is a very good sunscreen. To be very honest, मुझे sunscreen इतने ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आते because when you apply it, बहुत ज़्यादा white patch सा रह जाता है and dissolve नहीं होते आपके स्किन में बहुत अच्छी तरह से. But this sunscreen is a very good product. I really love this, and when you apply this na, it gives you very glowing skin. You might not see in the camera, but this is a very glowing product, and it smells really good. So I think you have to invest in this product. So that's it for skincare. And if I talk about body care, I have only two products to give you recommendation. So the first one being is this kit. It's a very good kit which you have to invest in. So this is M Caffeine body polishing kit, in which you got one body butter and also one body scrubber. So this scrubber also helps you getting rid of strawberry legs, and if you have ingrown hair issues, then you should really buy this product because you're gonna gonna totally love this product. Your body looks really smooth and glowy after using both of these products. So yeah, I'm also finished with these products and I'm hoping to restock these products because in winters you really need these products. And if I have to tell you to buy only one product from all of this recommendation video, has to be this MKFin body polishing kit. So for next product, I'm really excited because it's a Vega hair straightener. So I'm using this hair straightener for about 1 year and it does not get ruined because it's a very good purchase. So if you're planning to invest in hairstyling tools, then you should go for this Vega hair straightener because I think you can use in this two categories. You can totally make use of this product because I use this product in two ways. I not only use this straightener to straighten my hairs, but also I curl my hairs with this straightener only. Okay, so let's come in makeup category, and I have so many recommendations in makeup category. So I'm going to be talking about foundations first. So I have this two recommendation in foundation. One is Superstay Maybelline foundation and the second one is Fit Me. So I only use a Maybelline foundation because they give me very good coverage, and this Superstay is my newly favorite. Superstay is on 33% off and this Fit Me is on 50% off, which is a very good deal to steal. So if you're wondering what shade I use in these two products, let me tell you, in Superstay foundation I am in the shade 128 warm nude, and in Fit Me foundation I am 125 shade in nude beige. So if you're around my shade, you can totally go for this foundation shades. Fit Me gives you very light to medium coverage, and if I talk about a Superstay, it gives you medium to high coverage. So it's upon you how much coverage you like. If you're blending and layering it up, then it's gonna totally give you so much coverage, and Maybelline foundations are too good. So these are my foundation recommendation for you. I'm really sad that this product is about to finish, but it's my favorite recommendation which I always wanted to give you guys is this Water Fit Tint is a very good product. It's from the Face Shop, and this is a very good lip tint. When I don't want to use lipstick on my lips, I totally go for this Water Fit Tint from the Face Shop because this tint is very good. So this is the shade of this Water Fit tint. It's in the red cherry. The Face Shop has so many Water Fit tints and lip and cheek tints. So if you're looking for one, go for it because yeah, in this you get so many other shades also. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ ये product को share करने के लिए. So it's lashes and it's from Pro Art Premium Lashes. It's in the size 002 and this is so good lashes. I already use this lashes so many times and it is like pack lashes, and the band of this lashes is very thin and seamless. This product is 10% off, but अगर ये product offer पे भी नहीं होता, I will still recommend you guys to purchase this because it just for rupees only 200. Look at this product, how gorgeous it is. So this is Nika के 9 color eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Cake. So the motive behind recommend you guys this eye palette is because if you want to try colorful eyeshadow or colorful looks, then you should totally go for this because in this Pink Friday sale you're getting it on a very good deal. So it's on 50% off. So I use this eyeshadow palette on my eyes in the festive makeup look video. So if you want to check that video, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So if you want to check how I use this eye palette in my eyes, then you should totally go for it. Talking about lipsticks, I love to use Nykaa lipsticks and I have this Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay. So I love this range from Nykaa, which is Matte to Last, and this shade looks very good on every skin tone, and also I'm wearing this shade for today's look. This lipstick is on 50% off, so if you love to use Nykaa lipstick, then totally go for it. So the last recommendation of today's video has to be this product. So it's a sanitary napkin from Plush, Your Period of Comfort. So I got this travel size pack when I purchased some products from the Beauty Co. But when I loved this product and searched it on Nykaa, I got there are 3 different packs. One is of 22 pieces, 17 pieces and 9 pieces. So the price varies according to the packs. This product is not on sale, but I really wanted you guys to try. So what you can do is you can go for a little pack which contains 9 pieces, and if you loved it, you can go for the big pack which contains 22 pieces. So all the recommendation products are finished now, but before ending this video, I wanted to share some offers which I'm really excited about too. So Faces Canada and L'Oreal Paris has this offer of buy one and get one free, and Bath and Body Works has this offer of buy two get two free. And if you buy 5 sheet masks from Nykaa Naturals, they are giving 5 for free. And if you buy any makeup from Nykaa above of rupees 1000, then you can get a free lipstick for free. And the last but not the least, MKFin is giving free mini body polishing polishing kit worth of rupees 395 on all orders, which means if you buy any of the product from M Caffeine, they are giving their a little mini kit which contains little body scrubber, body butter, and also body polishing oil. So these all the offers are my favorite, which I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope this will be helpful when you are purchasing any of these products from Pink Friday sale. Okay, so yeah guys, that's the end of today's video, and I really hope that you like this video, and I hope I do not bore you guys. In fact, I hope that this video would be helpful for you all. I would be really happy if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right now on the screen, and we shall meet in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.